ignition head. But we do that before. We must have two tools. The first one, a wrench. Second, a screwdriver. Okay, follow my steps. Okay, I use a screwdriver and screw this one and this one and this one. Okay, we have already unscrewn all screw, and then we remove the pillars. Okay, this is the camper. Next, we will lose the knot and this one, and this one have two screws, so we also need to remove. Okay, I have already removed all screws, so we take out the camper ignition needle and ignition head. Okay, this is the camper, and this ignition head, and this ignition needles. And then we use screwdriver unscrew the screw. Okay, we finish it. Okay, this is new part, so we just need to follow the steps, remove to install it back. Okay, thank you for watching.